In this video, we are going to study about data types. It includes what is a data type, why data type is used, and what are the different types of data types and when data types are used. Coming to what is a data type. A data type is simply the kind of value you store in a program. It may be a number, text, true or false. Data type acts as smart labels to variable. What does it mean? It means that, for example, if we assign phi int value to b variable, then b variable acts as int variable. And if we assign float string value to variable a, then variable a acts as string variable. That means the data type is giving smart labels to variables, and it tells the computer what the data means and what you can perform with it, which operation to be performed on it. For instance, if the data is int, perform addition or subtraction. If the data is string, perform concatenation. If the data is list, perform append the item to the list. Thus, it stops you from adding numbers to words and maintains perfect order of the code. What are the big core types of data types? The big core data types includes numbers, text, and statement defining data types. Numbers include integers, floats, and complex numbers. Text includes strings, and statement defining data types includes Boolean values. Why we need data types? We need data types because it saves time, it prevents bugs, it clears syntax, it gives clear syntax, and it runs smoothly. Coming to data types, we have different types of data types like numeric data types, statement defining data types, mutable data types, immutable data types, order type data types, and unordered type data types. And we also have typecasting for converting one data type into another data type. We will study one by one in detail. Coming to numeric, first of all, int. It may be a positive number or negative number, or it may be a zero. So integer represents numbers without decimals. It may be a positive value, negative value, or zero value. So here we are taking 3. So first of all, we are going to learn about int data type. So here I have given comment as int, and see, I have assigned 5 value to num, and for num2 I have assigned -6, and for num3 I have assigned 0. So if we print num1, num2, num3, we get output as 5, -6, and 0. So this is about integer, and see, we have got output as 5, -6, and 0. So this is about integer. And coming to float, float represents decimal numbers. It may be a positive, negative, or 0, 0.0, 0.3, and so on. For example, if we assign like equals to float equals to -1.23, and L equals to, it may be 0.567, and FL equals to, it may be like 1.6. So if we print FL1, FL2, FL3, then we get output as exactly what we have given the value, like -1.3, 0.567. So F1, FL1, it's FL1, and FL2, it's FL2, and it's FL3. So if we print, then we will get output as, see exactly what the values we have given. So here it is acting as float. FL1 is acting as float variable. Okay. So here it is acting as int variable. So coming to, we have finished number, float, and coming to complex numbers. So So here we are assigning 2 plus 4j to C. So if we print C, then we get